Sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na. Sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking. I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. And that itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importante yung information Saan na naman ang pera namin? So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong, the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then, and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na.